everyone. Today I am going over this St. Patrick's Day inspired look. This is my second look of the season. So I'm going to jump right in so I don't keep you too long. This look is kind of a green, I guess, look. I started out wanting to do something simple and then it just turned into something else. So first off, for the eyeshadows, well, I'll start with the base first. So I used for the outer corners, also I was going to say this is majority MAC products because I wanted to stick with the MAC theme, and I also have another look coming up that's going to be MAC themed also. So this look was based on the eyes with this Pro Longwear paint pot in Imaginary, and it's like a navy blue. I've used it several times doing other looks that have blue in it, which is, of course, as if you can't tell, is my favorite color. So I use that on the outside, and then on the kind of in the corner, inner corners, I used like up, I guess you could say inner corner and like the top half of the lid. I used this Sephora it's a jumbo crayon or liner, and it is in the number 10 green. I don't know if they still make these or not, but a lot of my looks are pretty much shop my stash because I'm trying not to buy a lot of new things because I have so much stuff to go through. So this is in the color green. So I took this pencil and went over, like, did this line, and then I kind of filled it in there. And then in this area, I used the P. Louise Basic Base, Cosmetic Base. This is in the color Touch of Frost. It came in a whole set. And I don't know if she still has that either, but it came with the Vivid Violet, Hint of Mint, Winter Rose, and Touch of Frost. It came with all those bases in there. So then on top of these bases, I will start on the outside. I stuck with MAC eyeshadows again. So I started out with, I have this, one of my MAC palettes that I made years ago. I have the names written down. So I use Texture under the brow. And then on the outer eye, on the lid, and in this area here, just this area, I used Contrast, yeah. And if you are some OG MAC lovers, you'll know some of these. You probably know all these colors. So this is Contrast. And then I wanted to blend out that blue with a green. So that's a green up here. And I used Bottle Green. And for this color right here, this kind of frosty seafoam green, I used Steamy, which is this color. And then on top of the green base, right up in here, I used this color in Gorgeous Gold. It's like a duochrome. And so I wanted to keep going. I didn't stop there. I was gonna stop there, but then I had got these stencils and stickers from Amazon, and I got these. I don't know. There is a pack of star stickers and heart stickers, so it's that thick. So it's got different shape, different size hearts and stars in the packet. So I used 2 stars, smaller stars from there, and I stuck them right in here. And then I wanted to do like what looked like a shooting star. So that's the inspiration of why I did the glitter with the little tail on the star. That's supposed to be like a shooting star. So I used this glitter from Star Crushed Minerals in Green with Envy. So I just took some glitter glue from Lit Cosmetics, and I took a thin chiseled liner brush, and applied the glitter like that to connect with the star. And lashes are from, let me get the package. Poppy and Ivy. I just got these from a beauty supply. 6D Darling Ultra Volume Faux Mink Lashes. I don't know if you have a beauty supply that carries those nearby, and the style is in Judy. I thought these were cute, but I do have a buddy named Judy. So that kind of worked out. And then for the lower lash line, I took that same Sephora green pencil and I went in the waterline with it. And then on the lower lash, I used a blue pencil. Oh yeah. It's from Color Pop in the color DTLA. So they're blue liner. And these contacts I wanted to talk about, I got from the same beauty supply place. And the brand, I guess, is called Snow Soft Color Contact Lens. This is in the color Aquatic Green. That's the package. So now that I can, you notice I'm reading things awfully well. It's because I said, well, for my looks, I wanted to get some more contacts, but I said, let me take a chance at getting some without the prescription in them, because my prescriptions changed so much in my eyes, and those other lenses that had prescription, they were hard to see through because they had previous or old prescriptions in them. So I got these without a prescription. And I have a pair. I got the green pair, I got a brown pair, a blue pair, and a gray pair. So when I come back on with something else, then I'll let you see the packaging for it. For the lips, I'm still sticking with MAC. I got this new lipstick recently, and it's called Truth Be Untold. It's a nude. And I don't have a lip liner on with this, so it is brown girl friendly, as you can see. And what else? I got my lucky earrings on with the little horseshoe. I thought those were cute. I got these from Claire's Claire's Boutique. And pretty much everything is the same as far as face routine. If you haven't seen my list of products as far as my face goes, I have them listed all in the previous videos. I won't take up more time to tell you that, but I did use a blush and a highlighter from MAC. So the blush is Fever and the highlight is Format. So there's Fever and there's Format. And that's about it. So I hope you like this crazy look I came up with. And I hope this look will inspire you to create something of your own for St. Patty's Day. Thanks for stopping by and thanks for watching.